Hi, I will show you how to sharpen the knife using the sharpening stone and the sharpening steel. We need to angle the knife with 70 degrees from up to down, up to down, up to down, up, down, both sides. And that is how we sharpening the knife to the stone. Now let's sharpen the knife with steel bar. Down, up to 45 degrees, down to up, down to up, down to up, down to up, down to up. Always both sides, 45 degrees. That is how we sharpening the knife. Let's debone. Hi. Today I will show you how to debone the ham leg, but debone the ham leg. First we need to find the knife using the power grip. Let's use the other grip. Now, this is the bone. This is how we debone the hamlet.